Google Ads works mainly through intent. Intent means what the user wants right now. This is what makes Google Ads powerful. When people search on Google, they show intent. They type words. These words are called keywords. Keywords represent needs. They represent problems. They represent opportunities. Google Ads allows advertisers to show ads. Ads appear when users search. Ads match the keywords. This creates relevance. Relevance improves performance. Performance improves results. Google Ads is not only about traffic. It is about qualified traffic. Qualified traffic converts better. There are different campaign types. Each campaign type has a goal. Each campaign type has a use case. Search campaigns are the most common. They show text ads in search results. They capture high-intent users. Display campaigns show visual ads. They appear on websites. They focus on awareness. Video campaigns run on YouTube. They tell stories. They build brand recognition. Shopping campaigns show products. They show price and image. They work well for e-commerce. Performance Max campaigns use automation. They combine multiple channels. They optimize for goals. Search campaigns are often the starting point. They are easy to measure. They connect directly to demand. In Google Ads, advertisers bid on keywords. A bid is how much they pay per click. This is called CPC. The auction happens in real time. Google decides which ads appear. It is not only about money. Google uses Quality Score. Quality Score measures relevance. It includes ad relevance, expected CTR, and landing page experience. High Quality Score reduces cost. Low Quality Score increases cost. Quality matters more than budget. Ad copy is very important. It must match the keyword. It must match user intent. Good ads are clear. They are simple. They focus on benefits. Call to action guides the user. Words like get, start, or learn help. Clarity increases clicks. Landing pages are critical. They must match the ad message. Mismatch creates drop-offs. Speed matters. Mobile experience matters. Trust elements matter. Google Ads works best with tracking. Tracking shows what users do. Without tracking, optimization is blind. Conversions are key. A conversion can be a lead. It can be a sale. Conversion data trains the algorithm. Better data means better optimization. Bad data creates bad decisions. Bidding strategies control performance. Manual CPC gives control. Smart bidding uses automation. Target CPA focuses on cost per acquisition. Target ROAS focuses on revenue. Each strategy fits a different goal. Google Ads is not set and forget. It needs constant monitoring. It needs constant improvement. Search terms reports show real behavior. Negative keywords remove waste. Waste increases cost. Account structure matters. Clear structure improves relevance. Simple structure improves control. Ad groups should be focused. Keywords should be related. Messages should be consistent. Testing is essential. Ads must be tested. Landing pages must be tested. Small improvements compound. Better CTR lowers CPC. Lower CPC improves ROI. Google Ads works well for B2B. It captures demand. It supports long sales cycles. It also works for B2C. It drives immediate action. It supports promotions. Budget control is a major advantage. Advertisers set daily limits. Spending is predictable. Google Ads provides transparency. Data is clear. Results are measurable. However, competition exists. Costs can rise. Strategy is required. Good marketers focus on intent, not volume. They focus on value, not clicks. They focus on outcomes. Google Ads works best with product alignment. The offer must be strong. The experience must deliver. Marketing, product, and sales must align. Ads set expectations. Experience must fulfill them. In the long term, Google Ads supports growth. It provides insights. It reveals real demand. It shows what users want. It shows how they search. It informs strategy beyond ads. Google Ads is a tool. Success depends on execution. Clarity, relevance, and consistency win. When done well, Google Ads feels natural. Users find solutions. Businesses grow sustainably. Paid search advertising allows businesses to reach users at the exact moment they are looking for something. This moment is powerful. It is driven by intent. Users type words into a search engine. These words reflect needs. They reflect problems and goals. Search advertising connects those needs to solutions. It places messages in front of users. Timing makes the difference. Unlike social media, users are not browsing. They are searching. They want answers. This makes paid search very efficient. The traffic is intentional. The traffic is measurable. Advertisers choose keywords. Keywords represent how users think. They show language and behavior. Some keywords show high intent. Others show research intent. Understanding this difference is critical. High-intent searches usually convert faster. Research searches take more time. Both are valuable. Ads appear based on relevance and quality. Budget alone is not enough. Quality influences visibility. The system evaluates multiple factors. Ad relevance matters. Landing page experience matters. A good experience lowers cost. A bad experience increases cost. User satisfaction is rewarded. Ad copy must be simple. It must answer the search. It must set clear expectations. Clear messages improve click-through rate. Better click-through rate improves efficiency. Efficiency improves return on investment. Landing pages continue the conversation. They must match the promise. They must reduce effort. Users want clarity. They want speed. They want trust. Forms should be short. Navigation should be clear. Distractions should be limited. Tracking is essential for optimization. Without data, decisions are guesses. With data, decisions improve. Conversions define success. A conversion can mean different things. The definition must match the business goal. Some campaigns focus on leads. Others focus on sales. The strategy must align. Bidding strategies control how budget is used. Manual bidding offers control. Automated bidding uses machine learning. Automation works best with clean data. Poor data creates poor outcomes. Structure supports performance. Campaign organization matters. Clear structure improves relevance. Relevance improves results. Negative keywords protect budget. They remove irrelevant traffic. They increase efficiency. Search term analysis reveals intent. It shows real user language. It informs future strategy. Testing is a continuous process. Ads must be tested. Pages must be tested. Small improvements create big impact. Higher relevance lowers cost. Lower cost improves scalability. Paid search works well for immediate demand. It captures users ready to act. It supports predictable growth. It also provides insights. It shows what users want. It shows how markets evolve. Competition exists in every market. Costs can increase. Strategy becomes more important over time. Strong offers outperform weak ones. Clear value wins attention. Trust drives action. This channel does not work in isolation. It supports broader marketing. It informs product decisions. When marketing and product align, performance improves. When experience matches promise, retention increases. Long-term value grows. Paid search rewards clarity. It rewards relevance. It rewards consistency. Paid search advertising is about matching demand with solutions. Demand already exists. The goal is to capture it efficiently. Users express intent through searches. Each search shows a mindset. Understanding this mindset is critical. Some users want to buy now. Some users want to learn. Some users want to compare options. A strong strategy separates these intentions. Not all searches deserve the same message. Not all searches deserve the same budget. Keyword research is the foundation. It reveals language patterns. It reveals real problems. Broad terms bring volume. Specific terms bring quality. Balance is important. Campaign structure organizes intent. Each campaign has a goal. Each group has a clear theme. Focus structure improves relevance. Relevance improves performance. Performance improves scalability. Ads should speak directly to the search. Generic messages reduce engagement. Specific messages increase trust. Simple language works best. Clear benefits matter. Strong calls to action guide behavior. Landing pages must continue the message. Consistency reduces friction. Mismatch creates confusion. Speed is critical. Mobile experience is critical. Usability affects results. Tracking connects actions to outcomes. Every decision needs data. Without data, optimization stops. Conversion definitions must be accurate. Wrong signals confuse automation. Clear signals improve learning. Bidding strategies guide budget allocation. Manual control offers precision. Automation offers efficiency. Automation improves over time. It needs volume. It needs patience. Search terms analysis reveals waste. Negative keywords protect spend. Efficiency increases profit. Performance should be reviewed regularly. Trends matter more than daily noise. Context matters. Seasonality affects behavior. Competition affects cost. Strategy must adapt. Testing is never finished. Ads fatigue over time. New ideas keep performance healthy. Incremental improvements compound. Better relevance lowers cost. Lower cost improves reach. This channel supports fast feedback. Results appear quickly. Insights inform other teams. It helps product teams understand demand. It helps sales teams understand objections. It helps leadership make decisions. Paid search is not just an ad channel. It is a learning channel. It reflects market reality. Success requires alignment. Marketing sets expectations. Experience must deliver. Over time, strong execution creates stability. Predictable leads support growth. Control reduces risk. The best strategies feel simple. The best execution feels invisible. Users find what they need. When relevance leads the process, performance follows. When clarity leads the message, trust grows. That is sustainable success. Paid search advertising exists because users search with purpose. They are not looking for entertainment. They are looking for answers. Every search shows intent. Some intent is strong. Some intent is weak. Strong intent usually means action. Weak intent usually means research. Both have value. A good strategy separates these signals. It respects user readiness. It avoids pressure. Keywords represent user language. They show how people think. They show how people describe problems. Understanding language improves targeting. Better targeting improves efficiency. Efficiency improves results. Ads appear when relevance is high. The system rewards usefulness. User satisfaction matters. Ad copy should match intent. Short messages work best. Clarity reduces friction. When users see relevant ads, they trust faster. When ads feel generic, they ignore them. Trust starts before the click. After the click, experience matters. Pages must load fast. Information must be easy to scan. Users want answers quickly. They do not want complexity. They do not want confusion. Forms should ask only what is needed. Long forms reduce completion. Simplicity increases conversion. Tracking connects behavior to outcomes. Every click tells a story. Every conversion teaches something. Learning improves performance over time. Patterns appear. Decisions become clearer. Bidding controls how budget flows. Different goals require different approaches. Flexibility is important. Automation supports scale. Manual control supports precision. Both have a place. Search term analysis protects efficiency. Irrelevant queries waste budget. Filtering improves focus. Competition affects cost. Differentiation affects results. Clear value stands out. Strong offers perform better than clever wording. Truth builds trust. Trust drives action. This channel supports quick testing. Feedback is fast. Iteration is constant. Performance changes with seasonality. User behavior shifts. Adaptation is required. Paid search supports business decisions. It reveals demand. It reveals objections. It works best when aligned with experience. Promises must match delivery. Consistency reduces churn. Long-term success comes from discipline. Daily optimizations compound. Process beats shortcuts. The best campaigns feel helpful. Users feel understood. Solutions feel easy to find. When intent leads strategy, efficiency follows. When clarity leads execution, growth becomes stable. That is real performance. The process starts with understanding demand. Users already want something. The goal is to meet that demand. Search behavior changes often. Trends shift. Language evolves. Good marketers observe behavior. They analyze data. They adapt strategy. Campaign structure creates control. Clear structure improves visibility. Visibility improves decisions. Each campaign should have a purpose. Each ad group should have focus. Focus improves relevance. Relevance reduces waste. Waste increases cost. Efficiency protects budget. Ads must reflect user intent. They should answer questions. They should set expectations. Simple language works best. Clear benefits matter. Honest messaging builds trust. After the click, experience takes over. Pages must be fast. Content must be clear. Users want direction. They want reassurance. They want value. Tracking creates accountability. Every action can be measured. Measurement enables improvement. Conversion data guides optimization. It shows what matters. It removes guesswork. Bidding strategies manage exposure. Control prevents overspending. Balance supports growth. Automation helps scale. It needs guidance. It needs boundaries. Search term review protects performance. Noise reduces efficiency. Filtering improves quality. Scaling requires patience. Sudden changes increase risk. Stability improves learning. Performance should be reviewed weekly. Trends matter more than daily changes. Context matters. Seasonality affects volume. Competition affects pricing. Strategy must adjust. Testing prevents stagnation. Fresh ideas refresh performance. Iteration drives progress. This channel provides fast feedback. It rewards discipline. It punishes neglect. Alignment with product is critical. The offer must convert. The experience must deliver. Long-term success comes from systems. Systems reduce errors. Systems create predictability. Strong execution creates confidence. Confidence supports scaling. Scaling supports growth. Paid search advertising is highly measurable. This is one of its biggest strengths. Every action can be tracked. Users click with intention. They search because they want something. This makes behavior easier to analyze. Measurement starts with clear goals. Without goals, data has no meaning. Goals guide optimization. A goal can be a lead. A goal can be a purchase. The definition must match the business. Conversion tracking connects actions to value. It shows what works. It shows what does not work. Good tracking creates confidence. Poor tracking creates confusion. Decisions depend on data quality. Metrics tell different stories. Clicks show interest. Conversions show success. Cost shows efficiency. Return shows sustainability. Context matters. Not all traffic is equal. Some users convert fast. Some users need time. Attribution helps understand influence. Early searches create awareness. Later searches drive action. Looking only at the last step is risky. The journey is longer. Multiple touches matter. Search term reports reveal intent. They show real user language. They expose waste. Negative keywords remove noise. Noise increases cost. Clean data improves learning. Ad performance shows message quality. High engagement means relevance. Low engagement signals mismatch. Landing page performance shows experience quality. High bounce rates show friction. Low conversion rates show confusion. Learning comes from patterns. One day is noise. Trends show truth. Weekly analysis provides clarity. Monthly reviews guide strategy. Patience improves outcomes. Testing supports learning. One change at a time. Clear hypotheses matter. Results inform decisions. Decisions guide next steps. This creates a feedback loop. This channel rewards discipline. It rewards attention. It rewards consistency. It also punishes neglect. Ignoring data increases waste. Assumptions increase risk. Good teams document learnings. They share insights. They align actions. Search data informs other teams. Product teams learn user needs. Sales teams learn objections. Over time, patterns become clear. High-value keywords emerge. Strong messages repeat. Optimization never stops. Markets evolve. User behavior changes. When measurement guides action, efficiency improves. When learning guides strategy, growth stabilizes. That is how mature teams operate. Paid search advertising is not only a tactical channel. It is also a strategic tool. It reflects real demand in the market. Users search because they need something. They are not guessing. They are acting with purpose. This makes search data very valuable. It shows what people want. It shows how urgently they want it. A strategic mindset starts with intent. Not all intent is equal. Understanding this changes everything. Some searches show urgency. Some show curiosity. Some show hesitation. Good strategy respects these differences. It does not force conversion. It supports decision-making. The role of advertising here is guidance. Messages should feel helpful. Pressure reduces trust. Strong strategies focus on value. Clear value attracts the right users. The wrong users create waste. Budget should follow performance. High-value searches deserve more investment. Low-quality traffic should be reduced. This requires discipline. It requires patience. It requires analysis. Short-term results are tempting, but long-term efficiency matters more. Sustainable growth is the goal. Structure supports strategy. Clear organization improves clarity. Clarity improves decisions. Messages should evolve over time. User needs change. Markets mature. Ads that worked before may stop working. Regular testing prevents decline. Fresh thinking maintains relevance. Experience after the click is part of strategy. If experience fails, advertising fails. Alignment is critical. Promises must match reality. Reality shapes perception. Perception drives loyalty. Search advertising also supports learning. It tests offers. It tests positioning. Fast feedback accelerates understanding. Understanding improves execution. Execution improves outcomes. Scaling should be controlled. Sudden growth increases risk. Stable growth improves efficiency. Long-term success comes from systems. Systems reduce dependency on individuals. Systems create consistency. Good teams think in processes. They document decisions. They review results. Over time, performance stabilizes. Costs become predictable. Results become reliable. The strongest advantage of this channel is clarity. It shows what works. It shows what does not. When strategy leads execution, waste decreases. When intent leads messaging, trust increases. When discipline leads growth, success lasts.